Welcome to Vietlingo, learn Vietnamese your way, your dialect. Hi everyone, my name is Thanh Huyền. I'm a Vietnamese teacher at Vietlingo. Today we're learning Northern Vietnamese. Vietnamese particles are like the music of the language. They don't change the dictionary meaning of a sentence, but they completely change the tone, emotion, and intention. Today we're mastering 3 essential particles. À, ơi, and nhỉ. Using these correctly will make you sound instantly native. Whether you are agreeing with a friend or expressing surprise, let's start making your Vietnamese sing. At first, let's listen to a conversation. Linh and Minh are talking at a coffee shop.
Linh ơi, cậu muốn uống cà phê hay nước cam?
Cà phê hôm nay thơm thế nhở? Tớ gọi cà phê không đường nhá.
Cậu uống cà phê không đường à? Tớ tưởng cậu thích ngọt cơ.
À, tớ thử thôi. Mà quán này trang trí đẹp nhở?
Notice how those 3 small words change the entire feel of the conversation. That's the power of the particle. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently use à for confirmation, surprise, ơi for addressing, calling, and nhỉ for seeking agreement. This will make your Vietnamese conversation much smoother and more emotionally accurate. Let's break down the function of these 3 key particles. Remember, their role is to set the tone. Grammar point 1. Ơi, the vocative or calling particle. Ơi is mainly used to get someone's attention or acknowledge a call. It's essential when addressing someone, especially when they are not close by. Its function is calling, addressing, acknowledging a call. For example, bố ơi, bố giúp con một việc được không ạ? Dad, could you help me with this? Example 2. Linh ơi, calling the someone name. Ơi used to respond the call, meaning yes. Oh, what is that? Grammar point 2. Nhỉ, the confirmation, shared opinion particle. Nhỉ is the softening particle used when you want the listener to agree with your statement or when you are confirming a mutual thought. It translates roughly to right or isn't it. We can see its function is seeking agreement, shared opinion, gentle confirmation. For example, hôm nay trời đẹp quá nhỉ? The weather is so beautiful today, isn't it? Ngày mai chúng ta đi sớm nhỉ? We're leaving early tomorrow, right? Grammar point 3. À, the surprise, realization, gentle question particle. À primarily conveys a sense of slight surprise or a neutral, gentle confirmation questions. Example 1. Cậu nói là cậu đến từ Hà Nội à? You heard the statement, but one soft confirmation, often with slight surprise. You said you are from Hanoi, is that right? Example 2. Hôm nay là sinh nhật cậu à? Today is your birthday, really? Okay, let's see what you have learned today. Time for a little practice. Activity 1. Fill in the blank with correct particle. À, ơi, nhỉ. 1. Tối nay bọn mình đi uống bia. 2. Hóa ra là cậu đấy. 3. Mẹ. Mẹ làm ơn mở cửa giúp con với ạ. 4. Cậu nghĩ chiếc áo này rẻ lắm. Activity 2. How would you say this in Northern Vietnamese? 1. The concert was very crowded, wasn't it? 2. Dad, where did you put my keys? 3. Do you think so? Great job, everyone. You mastered the music of Vietnamese. So let's recap. These particles are small but mighty. Ơi used for calling or addressing. For example, bố ơi. Nhỉ used for agreement or share opinion. Đẹp quá nhỉ? Beautiful, isn't it? À used for confirmation. Thế à? Practice this with your friends or teacher today. Try finishing your next few sentences with nhỉ, ơi, à, You sound incredibly nature in no time. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Vietnamese lessons from Vietlingo. We love to have you in our community. Thank you for watching. Cảm ơn, xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.